Wait, you're selling the tires for $450?
That's right, yeah, $450 for the front tires.
Perfect.
They could be yours. You get a special tax, so yours are $500.
Is this better than that other green one?
The RX-8?
Yes.
I like it more, yes. It's gonna be a lot more drivable for sure.
So, beginning of the year, you didn't like Hondas. Do you like Hondas now?
I'll let you know when I drive it. It's been a 19-month build that should have taken a weekend, but we've been dragging our heels on it pretty good.
I think it's gonna go. I think it's gonna go.
No, it's gonna be good.
Yeah,
It's gonna be good.
It's fine. More power. More power.
Yeah. How much boost is it right now?
All of it.
I think it's 13 spiking to 19.
Oh, here we go, boys.
Woo! Let's go.
Oh, I see smoke.
Made over 500 though, it's pretty impressive.
What's happening, Steve? What's happening? What are you guys looking for?
The transmission let go, buddy. Oh, trying to do it. Okay, so we were watching the video and
that was obviously the
watched
issue.
the video and yeah. Nick was tuning it and we had we think, we don't know yet, CV axle failure. They're monster axles rated to 600 or 700 horse and we are right around 600. So probably pushed our limit a little too far, but we'll find out.
Where you at?
Power-wise?
No, yeah.
We hit what did we hit Traven? 506? 506 to the tire, but this dyno is a little bit stingy, so Brian, the owner, said it was probably close to 600 on the crank.
What did everybody guess? I forgot what everybody guessed.
450 to the tire max.
Okay.
Yeah, but
so it's not bad.
We did pretty good. Next up, tow truck.
And then is it going back to the shop?
We're gonna take it to our Saskatoon shop and either build some axles or get some different axles or see if there's a hole in the transmission. I think the next thing to go is gonna be the rear end though. That'll be the next thing.
So overall, not a bad day.
It's been a good day.